building a Bonzi Tri-Z Yamaha Banshee. The Yamaha made what they call the Tri-Z 250, and I'm trying to replicate that into a Banshee. I already stripped down this entire Banshee. It's at powder coat. I did it last week. I just got the motor back from Vaporhone, and we're gonna be building that up. So I have a hot rod crankshaft. I got new Y-scope pistons. I got new 22cc domes. The cylinders, this is from like a previous build that I had pulled off. Actually, this is from the 2012. So you might have seen like some rusty ass cylinders. We cleaned those up and recycled them, and now they have 64.5 bore. I zinc coated the clutch arm and then the spring. Same thing with the sprocket. I have a new O-ring kit for this cool head that I had powder coated black. This is something that's been sitting in the shop for a while, so they just powder coated it satin black. So it's kind of sleek, looks like the original head, but obviously it's not, and we're gonna be getting a little bit more power. I have the transmission set up right over here, the shift forks too, and then like I said, the case is Vaporhoned. I don't even think I blasted this one. It wasn't that dirty, so cleaned up pretty nice with just the Vaporhone. I do have a Vaporhoning machine that I'm waiting to get set up. I'm just waiting to rewire this entire shop. I'm hoping to do that within like the next week or two. We'll be able to show you guys on hand like what it looks like before and after. Obviously you guys see majority of the parts when we're stripping these machines down, but what you don't see is the process to get it to look like this, right? This is a float bowl for a carburetor that's Vaporhoned and looks really nice. Normally these things are covered in fucking grease and dirt because the fluid drains, it gets all over the carburetor, and then when you're riding these things in the dirt, it just sticks to it. So stock motor with a little bit of spice with the cool head, the 22cc domes. I plan on using a Pro Circuit exhaust that has been sitting in the shop for a while. The headers are Cerakoted black and they look brand new. The silencers, they need to be polished still, so I'm gonna make those look really nice. First thing before we even jump into building this motor, I have the plastics here. I have a couple other parts too. I have these graphics that I made. I actually made the graphic myself. The Tri-Z doesn't really come with like a crazy graphic kit. It literally has 5 stickers total, so it's very, very simple. Very simple. So instead of Tri-Z, we're doing the Bonzi Yamaha Banshee. Get it? Worked out too good. How to do it. The gas tank and the rad for this Banshee are going to be black, and then silver frame. The headers are going to be black. The rims are going to be gold. Not bad. That looks pretty f***ing sick. Bam. So that's pretty much the graphic kit. So imagine these plastics on a silver Banshee with gold rims. It's gonna look fucking sick. Very similar to like a 97 Banshee, except the gas tank cover is, the gas tank and the rad is black. So that's the idea with this one. So we're gonna start building the motor because we have everything to do that, you know, over the next couple of days. The remainder of the parts will trickle in from powder coat because we stripped that down last week.
Long time coming out, who won it? The word of mouth click, be legitimate. Family, we kicking it. Northville, Southville, connect hits. It's on now. Breaking down the charts with the raw sound. I warned ya, verses of the month. Nickel mics in your rap book, we wrecking it. Just like you thought we would. Resurrecting it from Schoolie D till now. Representing it. Philadelphia, hometown, sky's the limit. Our words the law, print them in triplicate. Showing up, no bluff on the come up. The stature, larger than your life, plus the after. Coming at ya, rapping rebels, shatter peak levels. Bless my fellas, won't settle till the name is household. Investing on your ghetto like designer clothes.
Hip-hop is scared.
Oh yeah.
Word of mouth is stepping in.
Through the door, hit y'all off something nice, but there's more in store. After more than Mount Rushmore, it's on word of mouth is.
Hustlers, beating on the younger suckers, playing street games to make a name. Now, money cash is the man, 100 grand, pushing the land, pumping, keep it real by the ram. Times, changing rhymes, no regrets. I hit the sack, getting sex, fucking Yvette in the coach tracks. The biggest nod to all my niggas in the prisons. I'm still living, but focusing on my visions. Visions of cream, millionaire dreams. With my team, exposure forever sober, casting over to my closure. Posterized, sent them to Vince, the larger prince, doing probation, playing the word on my favorite station. But everything that glitters isn't always golden. Police patrolling, 3 niggas rolling, so I'm always holding. I keep my mind straight, searching to find faith, but don't forget where I started at, where my heart is at.
So we got everything back from powder coat for the Bonzi build. Most parts on this build are gonna be alien silver. Either I f***ed up or Peter f***ed fucked up. The A-arms are silver, but those are supposed to be black because the front fairings on the Tri-Z are black, and I wanted to kind of like match that. So I want those in gloss black. I'm gonna bring those A-arms that are now alien silver back to powder coat, get those redone over the next day or two. One other setback we have is the coils are not swapped on the new shocks. So those are the only two things that are holding us back from this thing being a roller on the ground today. But we're gonna pre-assemble as much as we possibly can. You're seeing first thing in the beginning of this video, I put the graphics on because I was itching to do that. So that's ready to go. And then the rims we matched to the OEM gold rims, and they came out really, really nice. So these are DWT 10-inch rims, low profile knobby tires. I've been using the same set of rims and tires for a little bit now. Yesterday I polished a Pro Circuit exhaust that I had laying around in the shop. This was actually given to me by the powder coater. These were originally painted when he had them on his Banshee. So I had him Cerakote the headers, the rear silencer, and mid pipe. They weren't in that bad of a condition, so I polished them yesterday and I put brand new exhaust packing. So these are ready to go. I just need to find the little spacer mount for where the hanger mounts to, because I lost one of them. And if I can't find it today, I'm just gonna have my friends over at Yard Rats make me something like this, just pretty much replicate the spacer here. That way they both sit correctly, and those came out pretty damn good. I wouldn't say they're perfect. They're a little, not pitted, but they have some deep scratches, obviously because they're, you know, used. We have just about everything except those, you know, A-arms and shocks. So we're gonna start building this thing now, try and bang out as much as possible.
Check. You think it's sweet cause we make beats and flow a lot, hoping not, won't hesitate to throw a shot, smoke a chop, so get low. When we drop, be spraying the whole block, blazing so hot. Come on, let them know it's us when we come on. Showing eight, so come wrong and get dumped on. Back to these beats though, hey yo, I'm feeling it. Niggas off the wall, freaks start revealing shit. Know exactly what we dealing with. See my team, got shorty in the middle, yo they killing it. All night, weed so tight, got me so right. Inhale it and hold it, like a whole mics. Can't afford no strikes, can't stand police. So give us 1 + 4 mics, yo, we no slouch. More stripes than half of you know about. We will prevail, full scale, no doubt.
This is for all of y'all, and you won't regret. So pump it in the Jeeps, the streets, so all of y'all can flex. In the crib, in the Walkman, it's the same effect. We gonna show you how we do when we great minds connect.
We draw heat when they think it's sweet, and joke a lot. Front on the grabs at front. Y'all know it's hot, mad cause of the hoes we got. And frozen rock, obviously, it gotta be. The flow is hot, come on. Let them know it's us when we come on. Showing eight, we even shine when the sun is gone. I get mine, even when I'm being fronted on. 1 deep, 1 rhyme, you could be 100 strong. Who want it and get it, like flight 800. I'm on my own dick, like sleeping on my stomach. Seeing when I'm blunted, we can even run it. And packs more raw shit than most of you come with. Now we can go pop and gain nothing from it. Now it's me and you came with 100. Go mainstream and get the cream heavily. That's what you say, but I say never me. GD repping me, wild show dissect the beat. Shit is still real, full skill is the recipe.
This is for all of y'all, and you won't regret. So pump it in the Jeeps, the streets, so all of y'all can flex. In the crib, in the Walkman, it's the same effect. We gonna show you how we do when we great minds connect.
Be in the lab cause we scientists. Roads attracting the whole.
You guys let me know in the comment section down below. Am I the asshole that probably should have went with the silver originally? I had them redo the A-arms gloss black. Now the fairing on the Tri-Z comes in black, so that's the whole reason why I'm doing that. But should I have went with silver? Does it look better? Does it not look better? Let us know in the comment section down below. Either way, it doesn't fucking matter. I just want to know if I was an asshole or not. Just about done with this thing. We need to throw in some shocks, the A-arms, the spindles, the wheels, and some plastics.
Some nights I wake up out my sleep blasting. Go get some water for my aspirin, my life fashion. Gold chains, guns, and cash, and I'm axing. Do I have to be king for action? Fuck a player fame, New York is still the same a Queen state. Representing flush reign supreme. It's a scheme just to overpower your team with cream. Man, you sensitive. How you let these cash shit on your residence with fake robberies? Who shot who with no evidence? I'm bringing it. Tired of niggas sitting back and seeing it. Escape through the life, penetrate streets is tripe. Representing from the lands with the guns and good smoke. Heavy shine, popping them wines and cutthroat. Don't provoke or get your teeth smoked for broke, no joke. You just a boy, you not bad enough to compete. Your challengers, I'm busting off the guns with the silencers. Word, New York, big city of dreams. Coming from Queens, where we don't get caught up in between with the nonsense. All these pussy niggas acting sex, take it off your chest, bring it to the desert where I rest. Southeast to west, bustin' straight slugs through your vest. Worldwide, worldwide, whenever beef is starting, keep your mind on Queens when the dogs start barking. Worldwide, worldwide, whenever beef is starting, keep your mind on Queens when the dogs start barking. It's time to dead the whole situation. New York is full with murderers, guns, and court cases. Bagging with razors, Remy no chaser. That be that wasteland flavor, it's major. Vibrating through the states like a pager. Who's the one to blame when you get stuck for gold chains? Shooting close range, half of these niggas die.
Yesterday, we finished this thing. Came out f***ing sick. Pretty cool seeing these ideas come to life. Now, since we're done with all the photo and the video stuff, I'm gonna take some of the plastics off. I'm gonna put the coolant, all the fluids, sync the carburetors, and we're gonna try and fire it for the first time. Now, this Banshee, you guys didn't get to see when it came in, but when it came in, it did have good, honestly, it probably didn't even need a motor rebuild. It was missing carbs, it was missing intake boots, so I never got to fire it. I'm hoping now that when I do go to fire it, that all the electrical is good. We're gonna put the f***ing fluids in it and try and start this thing for the
America
first
got
time.
a thing for this gangsta shit. They love me. Black Chuckers, Black Scully, leather Pele Pele. I take spit over rainbow shit. I'm a vandal, got that silver duct tape on my tray handle. The women in my life bring confusion and shit. So like Nino and New Jack, I holla cancel that bitch. Look at me. This is the life I chose. Niggas around me so cold. Man, my heart done froze. I build an empire on a load and ox don't know I'm the weatherman. I take that cocoa leaf and make that snow. Sit back, watch it turn the dough. Watch it go out the door. O after O, you know. Homie, I'm just triple beam. Dreaming, niggas be scheming. I finna live the good life. The fiends are just fiending. Conceal my weapon.
You know what I just realized? This might be one of the first Banshees that I've built where the giveaway is actually open by the time that we post the YouTube video. I think we have about 130 spots by the time that we're recording this. My plan is to post this tomorrow. So chances are you could win this. You could win this brand new Bonzi 1997 Yamaha Banshee for just $95. Yeah, I'm hyped on how this one came out. I recycled some pro circuit pipes that I had in the shop for a while. I've never used this exhaust before. Put brand new exhaust packing in it, tuned it. I think she's ready to rock. The gold rims is hands down the best part about this Banshee. I'm gonna have these on my website. I'm gonna get about 10 sets done, give or take about like 2 to 3 weeks. Overall though, let us know in the comment section how we did. Swing around over here real quick. Caster 927. I think I put about 3 ounces in it. The carburetors are set at 320 because I have pods. I have 27.5 pilot jets. I think I'm about like 1 to 1.5 turns out. I'm gonna ride it for the first time right now. Go up and down a couple of times. If I need to adjust, I go from there. We're good, dude. You know, I've been looking at this thing only in the shop for the past, week that we've been building it and seeing it outside. Shit is fire. You could win this Banshee. Every single video that we post, the giveaway winner already has the Banshee. So by the time that you're watching this, you could enter to win this machine. $95 is very simple, straightforward. Just go to the link in the description, go to our Instagram page. Any post of this machine is gonna have all the information you need to know to enter to win this giveaway. More Banshees to come soon. This is the Bonzi Tri-Z 1997 Yamaha Banshee. I don't think I've ever seen anyone bring that Tri-Z look into a Banshee, so it's pretty cool to be the first one to do it, and I think we did a damn good job. We got a couple that we're working on now. They're all one-off pieces. We got a lot of cool shit coming soon. Make sure to go to bonzigarage.com. Anybody that was asking, because there's a lot of people that commented on our Instagram about these wheels, we're gonna have them on the site very soon. 2 to 3 weeks, and you will be able to buy yourself a full set.
And another one. Yeet, yeet. Why you all in my ear? Talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear. Get back, motherfucker, you don't know me like that. Get back, motherfucker, you don't know me like that. Yeet, yeet. I ain't playing around. Make one false move, I take you down. Get back, motherfucker, you don't know me like that. Get back, motherfucker, you don't know me like that. So come on, don't get swung swung on. It's the knick-knack, paddywhack, still riding Cadillacs. Family off the streets, made my homies put the baggies back. Still stacking plaques, still action-packed. And dope, I keep it flipping like acrobats. That's why I pack a Mac, that'll crack a back. Cause on my waist is more heat than the Shack Attack. But I ain't speaking about ballin', just thinking about brawling till y'all start ballin'. We all in together now.